Hello, my name is Andrew Milhone, and this is my infographic for the class EDU 218 Educational Technology. For this assignment, I had to compare two schools, one rural and one urban, and find a specific statistic between the two and see how they correlated with one another based on the fact that one was rural and one was urban. The statistic that I decided to observe was students per teacher versus student performance, or more specifically, does a greater teacher-to-student ratio provide better test results? Now, the two schools that I decided to include were Sandy Valley Local Schools and Massillon City Schools. Sandy Valley is the rural community and Massillon is the urban. Now, the first stat that we see here are the students per teacher. Sandy Valley has approximately 20 students per teacher, where Massillon has 16 students per teacher. Now, when looking at this in reverse, this actually means that Massillon has a higher teacher-to-student ratio. Now, even though this is the case, as we can see from the four-year graduation rates, Sandy Valley has a better percentage of students graduating after 4 years, where theirs is 96.5% and Massillon's is only at 90.2%. So the next stat we're going to look at is the 8th grade indicators. Now, this is based on the 8th grade achievement tests, and these tests include math, reading, and science. And based on these visual results here, you can see that Sandy Valley and Massillon have very similar results in their test scores. And you can observe that basically by scrolling over each of the different bars here. The next stat we're going to look at are the OGT 11th grade test results. Now, once again, these include math, reading, science, social studies, and writing. Sandy Valley is represented by the red bars, and Massillon is represented by the orange bars. Now, as we can see here, the test results are very similar to one another, and there doesn't seem to be very much of a difference, although Massillon does contain the higher teacher-to-student ratio. So, some further research was done on this, and we can see several quotes that were included here that says that reducing class size will have little effect without enough classrooms and well-qualified teachers. Class size reduction is found to increase student achievement, and students that are in small classes have better academic and personal outcomes throughout their school years and beyond. Two more quotes that are included here are that the group that benefited the most from low ratios was the socioeconomically disadvantaged, and that a trend analysis indicated that a reduction of literacy performance as group size increased. So basically, all recent research indicates that a higher teacher-to-student ratio will lead to better test results. However, this has not been the case for the two schools that I observed. So some further research would have to be conducted in order to see if this is just a rare case or if this is actually more common than one would believe. Now, the references are included below as to where this recent research was conducted, and further research again would have to be done to see if this is actually a real trend or if this is just an anomaly. So I would like to thank you for watching this screencast of my infographic, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.